Hi, welcome back. So even after careful purchase, land disputes may still arise due to hidden family conflicts, overlapping claims, or even fake agents. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Do not panic. If someone comes claiming ownership or raises a dispute on your land, immediately stop building or fencing. Do not escalate with confrontation or physical force. Make sure you document the situation, take photos, videos, note dates, names of the claimers. Step 2. Gather all your documents. Make sure you collect and organize the deed of assignment or the sales agreement, your survey plan, payment receipts, witness names and contacts, any communication with the seller or the agent. These documents will be your legal shield. Step 3. Engage a property lawyer. Your lawyer will help check who truly owns the land through the Ministry of Lands, write legal notices to the other party, file a petition or a case when necessary. Do not try to settle land disputes alone. One legal letter might and can stop years of harassment. Step 4. Report to the right authorities. Depending on the nature of the dispute, go to the land registry in your state, report to the town union or the Igwe's cabinet for traditional mediation, report extortion or threats to the police or the civil defense corps. Step 5. Try peaceful negotiation. If it's a family land and there is confusion amongst kindred, propose a meeting with the elders, your lawyer, and the community representatives. Try to settle out of court with written agreement. This can save you time, money, and unnecessary spiritual problems. Yes, you heard me right. Unnecessary spiritual wahala. Step 6. File legal action if mediation fails. So when your peaceful effort to resolve this issue out of court fails, get your lawyer to file a case at the High Court. The things you may seek from the courts: declaration of title, injunction to stop trespassers, compensations or refund. Now, pro tip: do not ever try to give bribes to settle it quietly. It often backfires because once you pay, you continue paying. Never buy land without a lawyer and a surveyor. If a land case is already in court, please don't touch it. Also, last but not the least, avoid powerful lands with traditional taboos or unresolved ancestral claims. Very important. Please like, subscribe, and drop your comments below.